This is January 3rd, 2020, 1931 AA platform truck. The top of it is need to be replaced, so bought a cartouche upholstery kit, and we're both pretty novice at doing this, so we'll see how it goes. And you get this package right here, and then you get this glue and these nails and this edging here. We're going to read that now. This is to start pulling off the old one. We pulled off the rain gutter. You can see that the tacks are still there, and they're just pulling off the top. The tools we're using for this is this little tool. It's good for pulling out the tacks or the nails, and this little bar was used to pull out pry off the rain gutter without bending it. You got a little bead on top. You have to fold it back and then take as a dikes and then some kind of puller to get those tacks out. Actually coming off. There's the fabric underneath, the chicken wire, then the padding, and we already took off the top. We had a lot of the nails that were not secured, so we're going ahead and having to secure down the top. The wood's pretty good shape, but we're gonna have to possibly drill or whatever it takes to fasten down the frame to the metal to the frame. Ended up going to the store and get these little ring shank nails and putting them in new wood to secure the top. We're gonna have to add a T-nut and a bolt here to secure this edge or the corner. Our felt down, or I mean our bottom piece first, because we're gonna leave that exposed inside, and then we're gonna put our chicken wire on top. The chicken wire, and we had to secure it to the back pretty good because last time it came up and that's where the water leaked in. So we're just finishing this part padding. We're putting on the padding now and just gonna trim it, tack it down, getting the rest of this padding down and getting this chicken wire down, make sure it doesn't stick up, and then we're gonna move on to the actual top, finishing up now, putting it on, tacking it down every couple inches, stretched it front and back, side to side, and then we have to finish up with the final trim. All right, now we're actually stretching and nailing this top down and getting all the pooches and ooches out and stretching it, and then we're going to put the Hitem on after that. Got the top on and stretched out. Now we're trimming. It dulls the blades pretty fast. You gotta be real careful to try to find the edge. Getting the top on is a little challenging because of trying to find the holes where there's wood and metal not blocking the wood. So the other thing is, don't drill. I wouldn't recommend drilling through the fabric. I tried that, and the drill picks up the felt underneath and makes a mess, so bad idea on that. A good technique is to stick your finger underneath the material. You can feel the slot and then pull and then put your nail in. So now we're trimming. You just gotta take your time and use the razor blades that are real sharp. We found that type that we're using right here works pretty good. You can see it right there. That's a pretty good blade. Razor knife works too. Just gotta be careful, take your time, and complete the trim. Adhesive comes with the package, and what you do is you just put it on, each nail head like that, and you just let it dry before you put the Hitem on. Showing this, the gutter's on, nailed the gutter on, and then this Hitem, or just actually it's a piece of top material, just tucks up underneath and then goes into this little channel, ends up like that. The front is, we're just starting to put this Hitem down the front. On the back, I didn't quite get enough nails on the back, so it didn't come out that great, but this section here that was pulling off. We had to put a lot, put a screw in there and hold that down. So the old gutters went back on well, and it's just about done. Finish the item, and then now we're gonna caulk. This is just showing the gutter. We're just getting the gutter finished up, and we just have to nail down and caulk that item. This is the, oh, wait a minute, caulking. We use this DAP caulking. It's black. Put it on with that caulking gun, and did the edges. The top came out pretty good for a couple novices that have never done it. So pretty happy with it. There you go, 1931 AA pickup, new top put on.